Morning updates. Nifty. The key support levels for the Nifty are placed at 17,350.20, followed by 17,120.80. If the index moves up, the key resistance levels to watch out for are 17,730.63 and 17,875.20. Bank Nifty. The key support levels for the Bank Nifty are placed at 37,870.90 followed by 37,250.30. On the upside, key resistance levels are placed at 38,950.40 and 39,275.40 levels. Sensex. The important level, which will act as crucial support index, is placed at 58,250.10 followed by 57,550.40 on the upside. Key resistance levels are placed at 59,350.30 and 59,775.40. Result on 02 February. HDFC Ltd, Adani Greens, Dabur, ZENT, IOB, Zydus Wellness, Apollo Tyres, IIFL Wealth, M&M Fien, Balrampur Chini, BLZENT, DCW Ltd, Gokul Agro, Zuari Agro. Stocks related news from previous day. TECHM, the company reported a higher consolidated profit at 1,378.2 crore rupees in Q3 FY22 against 1,340.9 crore rupees in Q2 FY22. Revenue rose to 11,450.8 crore rupees from 10,881.3 crore rupees. Coke. Lakshmi Organics, the company reported a higher consolidated profit at 82.09 crore rupees in Q3 FY22 against 45.21 crore rupees in Q3 FY21. Revenue jumped to 859.87 crore rupees from 435.5 crore rupees. YoY. Amber Enterprises, the company has entered into definitive agreements with Pravartaka Tooling Services and acquired a 60% stake in Pravartaka, which is in the business of injection mold tool manufacturing and injection molding components manufacturing for various industries. WINDLAS Biotech, the company concluded SAHPRA, South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, inspection audit report for the plant IV situated at Dehradun with zero critical observations deficiencies, zero major deficiencies and some minor deficiencies. Anupam Rasayan, the company will acquire a 24.96% stake in Tanfac Industries from Birla Group Holdings and others. VIP Ind, the company reported consolidated profit at 33.47 crore rupees in Q3 FY22 against loss of 7 crore rupees in Q3 FY21. Revenue rose to 397.34 crore rupees from 232 rupees and 53 paise. FIIs and D's deal. Foreign institutional investors FIIs sold the worth of 21.79 crore rupees. Domestic institutional investors Ds bought the worth 1,597.70 crore rupees in the market on 01 February. Stocks to watch. Future Retail, the company has failed to pay Rs. 3,494.56 crore to consortium banks and lenders under the one-time resolution agreement. The amount was due on Dec. 31. Tata Teleservices, the company has changed its decision to convert AGR-related interest into equity. Following a communication with Department of Telecommunication has informed the company that the NPV of the interest which is eligible for conversion into equity is only Rs. 195.22 crore as against company's calculation of Rs. 850 crore. Therefore, the company has now opted for deferment of 4 years. PNB Housing, the company's chairman CHSS Mallikarjun Rao has resigned consequent to completion of his tenure as MD and CEO. BPCL, the company has approved proposal for evaluating the option of putting up a polypropylene unit at Kochi refinery and to discontinue the polyols project due to revised cost estimates are higher than the original estimate. Star Cement, the company's chairman and managing director Sajjan Bhajankar shall act as chairman, managing director and chief executive officer consequent to the resignation of CEO Sanjay Kumar Gupta. IFCI, the company has called an extraordinary general meeting on Feb. 24 to approve issue of equity shares aggregating up to 100 crore rupees by way of preferential allotment to Government of India. Dalmia Bharat, the company added its ground-mounted solar power plant capacity to 17.1 megawatts from 2.4 megawatts in 2014 in Cuttack, Orissa. Eicher Motors, the company reported 15% fall in sales in January on YoY basis. Anupam Rasayan, the company approved the acquisition of 24.96% of the total equity shareholding of and joint control of Tanfac Industries from Birla Group Holdings and few other promoter groups of TIL and the launching of an open offer to acquire a further 26% shareholding from the public shareholders of TIL. The consideration for the acquisition of shares is 148.14 crore rupees and the open offer, assuming full acceptance, is 154.31 crore rupees, which will be funded through debt. Bharat Forge, the company along with Bharat Forge International has acquired additional 366,451 fully diluted equity shares of Teva Motors pursuant to the conversion of the convertible loan note. The shareholding in Teva Motors has now increased from 34.45% to 39.71%. Shree Cement, the company commenced commercial production at its clinker grinding unit having capacity of 3.0 MTPA setup, undertake design-led engineering and manufacturing of tools, subsystems, subsystem components and components for the semiconductor and solar industries. The company also declared third interim dividend of 2 rupees and 50 paise per share. Amber Enterprise, the company has entered into the definitive agreements with Pravartaka Tooling Services and acquired 60% stake in its equity share